Hello everybody, happy Sunday. You can't see my face because I want you to see what I'm doing, but I'm doing a charcuterie board. And so I'm going to make a fruit dip, and then I'm going to make a veggie dip as my dips. I have cucumbers, little mini peppers, some little mini carrots. The cheese that I'm going to use is, where you at? I love the Chipotle Gouda on crackers, and some boursin cheese. These are the crackers that I got. They're pretty good, and normally I put cream cheese on them. So I'm going to have some cream cheese, you know, just kind of mix it up. For meat, I have some salami, Applegate's Organics. And then for my fruits, I have a kiwi, a yellow dragon fruit, and some of these. They look weird, but they're actually good. It looks like a sea creature, but they're actually good. So the fruit dip that I'm going to use, you use cream cheese, whatever sweetener of your choice. I have different sweeteners, and I think I'm going to use the coconut sweetener. Some vanilla frosting and whipped cream. So that's what I'm going to use. So I'll be back. So I just put about 2 tablespoons of the whipped cream in because I'm only making a little bit. I'm not making a whole bunch. I'm gonna put about 2 tablespoons of the cream cheese. So this is pretty good. It's really not good. So this is how it looks, and it is tasty. So 2 tablespoons of whipped cream, 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. I put 2 tablespoons of coconut sugar, a good amount of vanilla flavor, however you like, and just mix it up. And it's a nice sweet treat. This is keto friendly. I like using the Nancy's probiotic cream cheese because it's, is it organic? Yeah, it's organic. And it's only 2 carbs, 1 gram of sugar total. And it's clean ingredients: organic pasteurized cream, organic pasteurized non-fat milk, salt, 4 strains of lactic cultures, live probiotic cultures. So here's the ingredients. So I like using Nancy's. And then I got this, not the best ingredients, but I was at the store and it was all they really had other than coconut whipped cream, and I didn't want that. But 2 tablespoons is 30 grams, 30 calories, 2 grams of fat, 3 grams of carbs total, 2 grams of sugar, so not bad. So this is my fruit dip, and it is tasty. It's healthier than eating candy. So let me do my next dip and I'll be back. So now I'm making a vegetable dip. I want the French onion soup and sour cream. So I'm going to just do a little bit. I'm going to just do like a tablespoon of this and 2 tablespoons of the sour cream, and I'll be back. So here's my veggie dip. So I'm going to keep going. So here's my board. I have a tablespoon of cream cheese, some salami, my olives. I think I have 6 cucumbers, a carrot, baby carrot, some little baby peppers. My veggie dip, some rambutan, fruit dip, yellow dragon fruit, boar's head, Chipotle Gouda, Mary's crackers, seed crackers, and some kiwi. So there you have it. And I'm not going to eat again until dinner time. Much later. Peace. Don't forget to give me that thumbs up. Hello, happy Sunday, everybody. So I'm here to to show y'all that I cook these lamb cubes. It was my first time ordering them, and they actually are pretty good. They are thick, so I'm gonna have to cut them in half. I should have cut them in half before I cooked them. I guess they're good for like stew and stuff, so next time I'll do it something like that in the crock pot. But they are tender, they do taste good, and I would order again. And that little salad is this mixed vegetable salad I got from Trader Joe's. And then I have some butternut squash I put into the air fryer. That tastes pretty good as well. So I'll be back. Give me a thumbs up, and y'all have a great night or day. Hello, happy Sunday. Hope everybody is having a wonderful day. So I'm breaking my fast. How long I've been fasting for? So I've been fasting for 15 hours and 50 minutes. The last time I ate, it was 11:58. I had some nuts and a pear. But I'm having some of my gumbo that I made last night. The video is up on the recipe and how I made it step by step. I have some yogurt here with some honey and some banana nut bread granola, and then I have a pear over here that's cut up. So after I eat this, I won't eat again until dinner time, sometime later on tonight. It is 3:49 p.m. on Sunday. So I'll be back later. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up.